The right greenery can add color, texture, and even fragrance to your outdoor space. Here are the top 5 ideal plant varieties that will thrive in unique patio conditions. Starting at number 5, Croton. These tropical plants thrive in the full sun, filling your patio space with brightly colored leaves of yellow, red, pink, and green. They're also low maintenance and only require watering once per week. Here's a quick tip: black stems or mushy leaves could be a sign of overwatering. Number 4 is Dracaena. Another low-maintenance plant, Dracaenas, also known as Madagascar dragon trees, thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Their sword-shaped leaves are also decorative with red or purple edges. They could be used as a centerpiece on your table and then transferred to a bigger floor container when they grow too large. Here's another quick tip: trim brown tips or leggy growth to maintain shape, and always wipe leaves to remove dust for optimal health. Number 3 is Kalanchoe. This bright and colorful succulent variety is easy to grow, long-blooming, and thrives in bright natural light, making it perfect for sunny, open-air patios. They can also be found in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, orange, and white, which can provide a splash of color and decor for your outdoor space. Here's a quick tip: ensure these plants dry out completely between waterings and are planted in well-draining soil. Number 2 is Majesty Palm. Capable of growing up to 10 feet tall, the Majesty Palm is a tropical plant that thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Not only would Majesty Palm thrive on your patio, but its size will make it a beautiful, ornamental decoration. Here's a quick tip: it will only need watering every 2 weeks, and since it's a tropical plant, it could also be misted periodically. Finally, number 1 is Million Bells. Million Bells produces bell-shaped flowers that look like petunias. Perfect for hanging in baskets on your porch or patio, these plants do best in full sun and when fertilized once a month. The bright violet, pink, yellow, and red blooms also add a bright and satisfying pop to your outdoor space. Here's another quick tip: pinch off faded flowers to encourage new blooms. Regular care ensures a long-lasting, colorful display. Make sure you grab these plants and turn your patio into the ultimate outdoor hangout. Whether you're sipping lemonade with succulents or vibing with the Majesty Palm, your space will be the envy of the neighborhood. For more information on the innovations shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com, check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.